Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn what is ascending and descending order. I already had uploaded a video on ascending and descending order, but in this video, we will do an activity to make the concept of ascending and descending more easier. I have these numbers, right? As you can see, I have numbers from 1 to 10. All right, first of all, what is ascending order? In ascending orders, we arrange numbers from lowest to highest. In ascending order, we arrange number from lowest to highest. Now, Now the question is how to arrange number, right? All right, let's get started. We are doing an activity for ascending orders. Now, in ascending order, as we know that we arrange number from lowest to highest. For example, we have 1, 2, after 2. Now, first of all, the lowest number is 1. Now we have to see what is the higher number than 1. 2 is higher than 1, so we will arrange 2 after 1. Then 3, 4, as 4 is higher than 3. After 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last we have 10. 10 is higher number. This is the concept and this is the activity of ascending order. Now let's come to the next concept, that is descending order. Now for descending order, we should keep in mind in descending order we arrange the numbers from highest to lowest. In ascending order, we arrange the number from lowest to highest, and now in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from higher to lowest. Let's arrange the numbers. 10, 9. After 9, what is lower number? After 9, 8. Now, which is lower number after 8? We have 7. After 7, 6 comes here. After 6, we have 5, right? Now after 5, we have 4. We have 4. After 4, we have 3. After 3, we have 2. And after 2, we have 1. 1 is lower number. I hope you guys learned something new and liked my video. As for feedback, I'm again Repeating the concept, in ascending orders, we arrange number from lowest to highest, and in descending order, we arrange number from highest to lowest. Keep supporting, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.